Before you begin, remove the rear cover, kickstand, solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, display panel assembly, battery, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Carefully remove the main wireless WAN antenna transceiver from the adhesive that secures it to the right speaker. Remove the aux wireless WAN antenna cable from the routing channel on the right speaker. Lift the right speaker out of the cradle in the middle frame and remove. Carefully remove the main wireless LAN antenna transceiver from the adhesive that secures it to the left speaker and remove the transceiver. Carefully remove the aux wireless WAN antenna and aux wireless LAN transceiver from the adhesive that secures them to the left speaker. Remove the aux wireless LAN antenna cable from the routing channel on the left speaker. Lift the left speaker out of the cradle in the middle frame and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.